Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this video is about printing when you have multiple pages. And I'm pretty sure almost any laser would be the same, but I have an epilogue, so this is an epilogue driver. So you see I have two pages, and I've run into this problem before when I don't ever use two pages, as I just said in a video yesterday. But somebody told me that they use two pages or multiple pages all the time, and he likes it, so that's just preference. I don't use multiple pages, but when somebody sends me multiple pages, I've had trouble with the engraver printing all the pages. And he suggested something, I looked into it. So when you go to your epilogue print driver, right here is current document or current page. So we're on page 2, so it's going to print page 2. Let's go back. Let's go to page 1. Let's go to print. It's going to print both pages. You can see right here it's going to print page 1 and 2. So if you just want to print that first page, the one you're working on, you just click that and it will just print that one page. Now I'm not 100% sure how to save this, but I'm sure you could probably save it right here and press save. Now let's try it again. Let's back out of here. Let's move around a couple of pages. Okay, we're back on page 1. Go to print. Now it's saved, and it's print current page. And so it's only going to print that page 1. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.